Hi everybody, it's Steve Ben here with a special extra video for Total Niche Breakout. Now in this video, what I want to show you is basically the power of Facebook Graph Search. It's something I've been making an awful lot of use of. And whilst you don't need it for any specific part of the training, I think there are lots of little parts, little things that you might want to check up on where Graph Search could be useful, as well as in your general marketing. So basically what I'm going to do is just show you how to get Graph Search if you've not already got it. Then what we'll do is we'll move on to how to use Graph Search. So first things first, if you click in the search bar here, you should see all these sort of big icons. If you've got those, you've got Graph Search enabled. Now if you've not got Graph Search enabled, it could be because you've not applied for it. The easiest way to apply for it is just to go into Google, type in Facebook and Graph Search, and it's like the first result, and you'll click to join a waiting list. Now if you're anything like me, you might have joined the waiting list, and I was on it for 4 months. And that was actually really annoying because I didn't understand why I wasn't getting Graph Search. And the simple reason was that I'd not changed my language. If you change your language to English, or should I say English US, then suddenly Graph Search will start working immediately. So you'll just see down here I've got it set as English US, and that's exactly what we did to get this working. So with all of that said, now let's dig into why Graph Search can be useful. So literally you can, in the wrong box there, if you type in something here, what we can do is we can basically say sort of lots of different queries here. So we could say photos, oh, I spelled that wrong, photos of Labradors. Okay, so photos of I love Labradors, photos by. So photos by sounds like a pretty good one to go for. And then obviously getting lots of cute dog pictures. Now this is a very sort of basic example. I certainly recommend messing around with the language, but what you can do is once you've done your first search, then you can actually start to narrow it down. So you could do location, you could do time, you could do commented sort of by, liked by, and also you can go people who posted these photos. Now it's not actually bringing up anything here, probably because I'm not a member of the group, but there are lots of things you can do to try and find out who's engaging with groups and who's actually doing things in there. So probably not giving you the best example here. So there you have it. It's a very simple way to find things like photos, find out who's engaging with content. Obviously, you're going to have to join some of the groups to do this stuff as I've demonstrated, but it's actually a really powerful and simple search tool, and one I highly recommend that you use.